Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for clicking on this video. Okay guys, today I had a hair fail. In that previous clip I just showed you what type of hair I used, but this is not a hair video, hair tutorial. This is just me showing you kind of what happened with my hair fail. So I had this idea that I wanted to do like a curly bang big hair look, and I thought I was going to be able to manipulate the texture of this hair with some perm rods. So right here you just see me kind of trimming it and just getting the shape that I want and stuff like that. But look, when I went to go and dip my hair, for whatever reason it did not hold. I don't think I dipped it long enough. I let the perm rods in the braids sit in over the course of a day, but I don't think the water was hot enough. I don't think I left it in the water hot enough. I don't know, okay? But I thought I had this grandmaster plan and it just did not work out. So here you see me perm rodding, and this was the result after I took the perm rods out. Like, I got the exact same, very similar texture as to how the hair came. Not the exact same, but the texture was similar, right? So I'm just like, okay, wow, this didn't do anything. Okay, so at this point I felt like I really looked like a sheepdog, okay, and the hairstyle wasn't working out, so I proceeded to flat iron it. At first it was starting to curl at the ends. I was like, okay, I can work with this. I could do like a little messy look. And after a while, for whatever reason, the hair just would not curl in certain spots. I don't know. I believe my flat iron was too hot, and then like it will only curl right when the flat iron was starting to heat up. If it got too hot, then it wouldn't curl. So I was just like, what the hell? Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to upload the video anyway. I was not going to upload it. This was the end result. Also guys, my hair was not intended to be straight. Like, I didn't sew it in with the intention of straightening it. So that's why I really can't even rock this style like I want to, because I didn't sew the hair down flat enough, because I just knew the hair was going to be big and puffy. So I didn't sew it down that way for it to be flat. But I don't know guys, this was the final result. I just want to know, what do you guys want to see from my channel? What type of videos do you enjoy that I upload? Ask me any questions down in the comment section. I want to get to know you guys better. I want to get to know my viewers better. I want to get to know what type of content you like that I provide for you on this channel. And ask me some questions. Let's interact. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I have just recently hit over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy about that. I do want to keep moving forward. I am excited about this channel. I hope you guys are excited too. And this video right here is just a testament that everything is not going to come out perfect. I almost just really didn't upload this video, but I just want to keep my foot on the gas and just keep going, just keep pushing forward. I didn't want to just not post anything this week, and I will see you guys next time, okay? And also, if you're new, turn on your notification bells, okay guys? Bye.